Nizim Africa sanibona nidumelanga abusheni and low this mkhulu khehla lamakhehla nyangenkulu yasenizim Africa bakwethu ngiyakwamukela kwinyanga yompedi TV mkhulu TV. If it's your first time tuning in bakwethu dumela sawubona abusheni and low namhlanje ngaba nogogo umkhanya kude rightly from Miatin gogo kadumedisa batho.
Thokozana alidumedisa monke kokomkhanya kude. Kokomkhanya kude utholakala eMeatin ngase Clippy Refir next to Sky City.
Okay. So tell me gogo, la ukhona uhlala kuma suburbs, township, plots or what? Because of Meatin is not something etsebalanga or next to Meatin ka wena. So we need to know ukuthi abantu ba understand ukuthi meza kuwena undawoni kuphi gogo.
Okay. Mina kanje ngihlala emafarm ngisebenzela efarm.
Okay.
So now ifarm yam is between Sky City and Meatin.
Okay.
So umuntu makeza kimi if usebenzisa i-public transport.
Yes.
Bathatha i-taxi from eJoburg to Sky City. And then mina ngithumela driver iba pick up from where? From Sky City Mall. Because after what I've realized is that Meatin like
it's out.
It's out.
Okay.
And like people are struggling. So that's why I decided ukuthi bayehle Sky City Mall and then bese mina driver will pick them up Sky City Mall and then mabaqedile driver yakuthatha ibeka Sky City Mall.
So you are trying to say whoever oza kuwe ugibela taxi from Johannesburg CBD to Sky City Mall. If umuntu akhona kana moto.
Yes.
Then after umuntu aye Sky City Mall, when you are sending a driver ukuthi balande lapho, are you sending your own car ibalande or you are sending i-taxi bayibhadale? What do you do?
No, ngithumela imoto yami ne-driver yami.
Okay.
Yes.
Ibalande from Sky City Mall.
Ibalanda from Sky City Mall.
Okay.
Ibalethe farm ngenza umsebenzi maseqedile yonke into.
Ibabuyisele futhi.
Ibabuyisela futhi Sky City Mall.
So how much do they pay from Sky City Mall to your house?
No, babhatala ngithi balantiwa ngemoto yami.
Oh.
Remember they are my clients.
Okay.
So it's my duty to see ukuthi if they are safe ne-transport ukuthi bayenzani bafika kahle.
Okay.
So I charge you when nje mawufika wehle Sky City Mall and then i-driver yakupick up you don't pay anything.
Okay.
Awubhadala i-driver to pick you up from Sky City Mall.
Iyakulanda kwisendlini.
Yeke.
So asizelana gogo. Sky City Mall bazwile abantu uya kumakhanya uya Sky City Mall imoto yakulanda niya efarm niyosebenza. So your farm is just near Sky City Mall.
Yes.
It's about 10 minutes, 15, how many minutes?
It's 10 minutes.
10
15 minutes it's 10 minutes. Yeah, it's just that it's a farm market, so it's not easy to
There is no ticks in the farms.
Yeah, that's the
people
problem.
do understand. Okay, fine. Uthi gogo phakanyiswa for business mawumuntu phakanyiswa for business. What do you try to say? What are you trying to imply when you say phakanyiswa for business?
Oh, mangithi iphakanyiswa for business mkhulu ngikhuluma ngendaba yokuthi umuntu makane business kumele uphakanyiswe ibusiness yakho iphakame nawe uphakanyiswe because you know where the problem is uqali into ungasebenzwanga ungayiphazamisanga. That's all bona ukuthi most of the people they will start business but ingayenzini ingasebenzi khona manje uthola soyi2 siqala into efanayo eyakho isucceed eyam inga succeed is because omunye uphakanyisilo omunye akaphakamiswanga. Ibusiness ifuna ube nento oyithembile ube nento omengayo so that noma uvela ubonakale noma abantu bakubona babone ukuthi no man this is where I can invest my money because remember mawune business usebenza ngabantu so kumele ube lo muntu ohohelayo abantu uyabo abantu mabakubona kuri they must be attracted to you. That's how you gain ama client ku business. Angeke urun business but ungathandeki usi welcoming. So isiphakamo sese business sinceda ngalento le ukuthi wena umnikazi webusiness uphakame uhlonipheke noma abantu bakubona babone ukuthi la imali yethu it's worth taking them
even though unamanga baba urate fela
bakuthanda nalamanga wakho you understand isebenza kanjalo. So now angiphakamisi wena kuphela siphakamisa nani ne-business.
Okay.
So that umuntu noma ezwa igama le-business awutlori noma this is
something which I want to invest on.
I want to invest on because manje wena mawuvula i-business or own i-business usa emakanexi it's hard like no abantu bama-business angeke bakutshela ukuthi yena ukuthi afike la afike khona ufike kanjani and abakutsheli motho wa teng o tla wa ntse a fela hayi nna I work hard nna ke a rapela nna ke tshepa modimo but behind closed doors bona ba yazi ukuthi bana le bomakhanya motho wa teng ha tloa fela o ile o makhanya but ene never o jwetsa ukuthi hey hambu yo bona umuntu so kuzo ube right.
So the kind of business of which you're mentioning, maybe you're talking about this spaza shop, maybe you're talking about a person who sells tomatoes at the street or a person who's a street vendor. Which businesses are you talking about? Are they kind of businesses or like if you can mention business of which you are dealing with, people of which you are mainly referring to at this moment? Business.
Okay. Ku abantu bama business kahle isiphakamo se-business asike to the type of business that you are running. Kuphuma kuwe ukuthi wena ufuna i-capacity yakho ibe njani. Angazi if you understand now. Whether you are running a tavern, whether umashonisa, whether you are unality tender, whether when you have a spaza shop, kwa wena uthengisa impahla, kwa wena uthengisa inwele, anything. A prostitute is a businesswoman. You are running a business. I get to be for one dollar. So I get the business. So any form of business, but din totaka dinalidi stages.
Okay.
So snale combo yama business amancane, which is the entry level. And it basis snale yoguti entry 1, and then base we have 2, and then ezinye angeke ngisikhulume akusi everything esibeka ku social media so umuntu makafuna ukwazi more kumele phone ugogo omkhanya kude ku 079 736 9523 079 736 9523 ungafona ungaWhatsApp kule number leyo then uwazi kwaphansi ngezinye izinto ukuthi angeke ngisikhulumela.
So tell me, usebenza on which days and which days for clients to come, because of there are those traditional healers of which basebenza ebusuku kuphela, abanye emini, abanye ekuseni, abanye only on weekends. Umuntu abarengaka irise itamati arabeke weekend isebenza batho. Akithi wena irise itamati arabeke then weekend usebenza batho kapa usebenza ba
nakusebenza Monday to Friday. Sebenza Monday to Friday.
Okay.
Ngama weekends angisebenzi.
Okay.
Because ngama weekend ngiba busy ngezinye izinto I have other commitments sesonto on weekends.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. No bakwethu ugogo umkhanya kude rightly from the rivers of Meyaten ngase Klepperfield udila ngokuphakamisa ama business. Uma umuntu ukuthi ufuna ukuphakamisa your own business, you can contact them. The numbers will be appearing on the screen. Just make your way ukuthi umbone. People of which are based in Johannesburg, even out of Johannesburg, especially people of which I know that you deal ngabantu basekurumani kakhulu, people in Pretoria, people babangata bathodila ngabona, but I know that fan base yakho isikurumani is too strong, Cape Town and all that. So mthinteni bakwethu mandinga usizo kuyena anisize anenzele into enifuna ukuthi aniyenzele yona. Mina okwami lana ukukhuluma nje imisebenzi yakhe, okunye nikhuluma nihleli nobabili or ni consultant via the phone. So dinomoro ditshilo zo tsetsetsetsa ofumana ngotsona akirere kunomuntu othi mina ngifuna the first entry level yokuphakamisa ibusiness, just the first entry level. How much is it?
Okay, entry level
itwele gogo uzomfonela bakwethu sibongile makhosi.